Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing this, and it's another dish. You can do it in 30 minutes, and it's a Thai style coconut chicken. I love Thai food. It's not authentic, but it's Thai inspired. So I think you're gonna like this. Great midweek meal. So let's get going. So let's kick things off here by adding some oil to a pan, and this is over medium-high heat. So now I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 shallot, and a thumb-sized chopped ginger. And we're just going to saute these until that wonderful fragrance fills the air. And this is just a minute or two. Now it's fragrant. I'm going to add in the chicken breasts, and this is 3 breasts that I've just kind of chopped up. And we're just going to fry these for about 4 or 5 minutes. So after our chicken is no longer pink, I'm going to add in a red bell pepper, and I like these just for sweetness. Some Thai chilies. Season it up with a little bit of fish sauce. Some pepper, and I'm a pepper lover, and for a little bit of extra heat, some sriracha. This is optional, but I just like it. Now we're just going to give this a stir up. Looks and smells so good. Now it's time to add in 1.5 cups of coconut milk. And we'll just let this come to a boil. After a boil, I'm just going to reduce the heat, slip a lid on, and let this simmer for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, and this looks and smells incredibly mouth-watering. Okay, so let's plate this up. Squish in the juice of half a lime just to get that acidity. And garnish it up with some cilantro. And there you have it, our Thai style coconut chicken. So let's give this a taste. So good, guys. Perfect amount of heat. It's creamy. The chicken is perfectly done. The veggies, I just love it. You gotta try this. For all the details on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.